Alright, today we are talking stealth racks. This is a great option if you don't need a removable rack. These direct mount, a little bit cheaper of an option than the Link It Up. We're going to be going over the assembly and installation. This is everything that comes in the box with our stealth racks. We're going to go over the assembly now. It is the same for the small, large and extra large. They just have more bars in them. Let's get started. So I like to get one side just put on loosely for now. Get those in there. Once you have those started, put that onto the other side. These go together very similar to the Link It Up racks. The only difference with the Link It Up rack, they will have longer bars on the top. These nuts take an 8mm Allen key. When doing this, have a nice level bench so it doesn't end up twisted. Right, I've got this put together. These come with pre-drilled holes, so you just line those up with the holes already on your tunnel. Included with our stealth racks are these base plates. They just add a little bit of strength to the rack. Then we take our included hardware packs. These come with squares in them. We have our carriage bolts to just go into that. And you want to line these up with the little cutout forwards and in. So we put our carriage bolt up through. On top, we'll just add a washer and a nut. I'll go around and get all of those started before we tighten them up. Now we just need to tighten these up. Because we use the carriage bolts and those base plates, it's very easy. You can just do it all from the top. So we'll get that snug down. So our stealth racks come in two different widths. These ones are Polaris specific, so they are 15-inch wide. If you have a Ski-Doo, they'll be 16-inch wide. We've done this to keep them nice and slim, so you're not dragging this through the snow in deep conditions. The Ski-Doo rack comes with different base plates. It will include 4 of these. They go on much the same as the Polaris base plate. For the Polaris owners, the hardware included in the kit will match up to the Matrix chassis. If you have an Axis chassis with the channels, you will need to purchase some T-bolts from your Polaris dealer. Okay, now we have our rack installed. You've saved a little bit of money by going for the direct mount. No need to buy adapter plates or fasteners. You can get one of our bags. We have 2 bags in our lineup this year. We have the roll top bag and micro bag. Alright, that is our stealth rack installed. These are available at cheetahfactoryracing.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.